Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this intro text on CapCut PC. Go to text and I'm just going to type in introduction, or you can type in anything you want, and you can also choose any color that you want. Also turn on the glow as well, and also change the font. Maybe I'll just pick another color for it so you can see a little bit better. Maybe like that color. Going to just the font size. Then I'm going to go to animation. I'm going to add in this throwout, but just make the duration a little bit longer, maybe like a few seconds. Right click, create compound clip, then go to animation, and you're going to go to combo, and you're going to select from these effects just to make the text animated still once it's done with the first animation. But yeah, that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!